Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set the screen colors back to normal on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to change the screen colors back to normal on your Samsung phone, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility. From here, just go to Vision Enhancements, then tap on Color Correction. And if color correction is enabled on your Samsung phone, just disable it to set the screen colors back to normal. But if this did not fix your issue, then go back to Settings. From here, just go back. And if color inversion is enabled on your Samsung phone, just disable it to set the screen colors back to normal. Just like that. But if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is to open Color Filter. And from here, just check if Color Filter is enabled or not. If color filter is enabled, then the screen colors will look something like this. Now just disable color filter to set the screen colors back to normal. And this is how you can set the screen color back to normal on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.